welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Oreo milkshake. So it's very easy to make. It's my all-time favorite. I make it all the time and I enjoy it a lot when I drink it. Yeah, I do. Believe me, I do. So funny. Okay, so we use very few ingredients and they are easily available in any kind of store. So the ingredients are Oreos, milk, ice cubes, chocolate syrup. So you're going to need 5 to 6 Oreos, some milk and few ice cubes. And chocolate syrup, why we are using is because it gives a more chocolatey taste to the syrup. So let's start. First you're going to take Oreo and make it into half so that one side has the cream and one side has nothing. So I'm just going to take this Ziploc bag, or you can also use a bowl, and add all the parts which don't have cream inside the Ziploc bag, and which have cream are going to stay in the bowl. Oops. No problem. And ways they'll be broken. Okay. So I'll carefully take them out. Actually, it doesn't need to be like perfect. Like this side shouldn't even have a bit of cream. It's not like that. But yeah, it can have some cream like here. So now I'm going to close this tight so that it doesn't spill. I'm just using this Ziploc bag so that it doesn't spill around. But actually there's no problem if you don't have a Ziploc bag. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to crush them. Crush. Actually this is kind of fun. Crush. You have to crush it nicely so that it becomes a powder. You can also, so I'm going to add the cream pieces inside the milk, and these I'm going to add at the top so that, yeah, it looks good and it also tastes good with these crumble powder on the top. I think this is enough. So I'm going to make these into pieces and I'm going to add them inside the milk. So I'm going to make them. So now this is blend nicely and we are going to add few ice cubes. So now I'm going to add some chocolate syrup on top of this. That's enough. And now I'm going to add the powder from our crushed Oreos. So after topping it off with some more chocolate syrup, our Oreo milkshake is ready. So let me taste it. Ooh, ooh. So good. So good. It's very tasty, very tasty. And it's very, like, every kid will just love this. So yeah, please do try it at home. It's very easy to make. It's so fast that you can make it in like 2 minutes. So please do try it at home and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.